Welcome to the Coco YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel to watch new videos like this. This picture includes the twisting world NGC 691, imaged in fabulous detail utilizing Hubble's Wide Field Camera 3. This system is an individual from the NGC 691 world gathering named after it, which includes a gathering of gravitationally bound universes that lie around 120 million light-years from Earth. Hubble notices items, for example, NGC 691 utilizing a scope of channels. Each channel just permits certain frequencies of light to arrive at Hubble's WFC3. The subsequent separated pictures are hued by experts who settle on educated decisions about which shading best compares to the frequencies of light from the galactic article that are communicated by each channel. Consolidating the hued pictures from singular channels makes a full shading picture. This itemized interaction furnishes us with astoundingly great knowledge into the nature and presence of these articles. Thank you so much for joining our video. Subscribe to our channel to watch new videos like this. Don't forget to share the video with your friends.